Alright, what is up guys? What is up mga Kaaro? Your Kaaro Moto is back. Good morning sa inyo lahat. It's 9:20 yata, about 9:30 na rin. Since kanina I checked before I left. Now today it's gonna be the first time na magta-take tayo ng Edsa, okay, to travel papuntang Green Hills, San Juan. So Lasal Green Hills yung pupuntahan natin sa may Ortigas. No, it's San Juan nga eh, Kuliti. Anyway, so dun tayo pupunta nga, as I will be visiting a friend and talk about some things that I guess semi-business, semi-leisure kind of conversation. But it's also one way para tayo kahit paano makatulong sa isang kaibigan. Okay, so I'll probably be doing a project with the guy. Nga, papunta tayo ng Ortigas. And by the way, kung first time mo dito sa channel and mahilig ka sa mga videos na pareho nito, I invite you to subscribe to it. Okay, and hopefully magustuhan mo yung ating mga contents. So dito tayo sa Katmon area, dito sa Malabon. Probably napansin nyo rin mga Kaaro, I'm wearing a proper jacket this time. Ano to? This is Mike Roney na nabili lang natin sa mga ukay-ukay shop. Sa isang ukay-ukay shop, I mean, sa kung ba nabili to? Sa Muñoz, okay? If you're a subscriber dun sa sneaker vlog ko, you have seen this probably, na ifinit ko dun. And kung hindi ka pa subscriber dun and mahilig ka sa mga ganong klase ng videos, I also invite you to subscribe to that channel. That's one thing na ginagawa natin, do sneaker vlogs. So I'll put the link in the description below for the sneaker vlog. Alright, come on. So first time ko mag-Edsa ngayon, okay? And kinda a little bit anxious kasi, you know, first time, lagi naman, like when you're having that conversation in a place na madilim at malamig with your boyfriend dati or girlfriend, you're also anxious, and that's the same feeling that I got right now. Okay, so yeah. Oops. At eto, hindi pa rin natin na ikakabit yung brake pad na bago na nabili ko lang. That was delivered yesterday. Medyo nangangawit kaagad yung aking kaliwang braso. Let's go! So siguro in this vlog I will try to compare kung kumusta ang driving sa may Rojas Boulevard area or sa Pier area versus dito. I mean, hindi naman lahat tayo nakadaanan ng Edsa. Like myself, it's my first time to basically, you know, use Edsa, and we'll see what's difference. Okay, medyo kinakabahan pa ako. Okay. Oops. Kagabi nag-review ako ng binili kong knee pad at elbow support, knee support na gagamitin natin, pero hindi ko siya ginamit actually today kasi you know, I'll be meeting up with someone. Hindi siya bagay. Okay, I'll probably use that pagka long drive tayo, like pupunta tayo ng medyo malayo, Bulacan, hopefully Pangasinan. Yeah, for now hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Now here's my experience about Edsa versus Rojas Boulevard. Medyo mahirap ang Edsa kung ikukumpara mo siya sa Rojas Boulevard. Una, medyo madaming lane, like 5 lanes yata. Medyo syempre mabilis yung mga sasakyan. Sa Rojas Boulevard medyo mabilis din, medyo delikado rin kasi of course nandun yung mga iba't ibang klase ng sasakyan. Good job. Thank you. Yan. So here, ito pala sa mga hindi familiar dito, meron ditong LTO sa bandang Caloocan. So ito malapit sa monumento. Ayun oh. Alrighty. Wow. Medyo matalas. Whoop. Damn it. Alright, so pa-Edsa na tayo. Edsa na yung paglabas dyan. So, itong monumento, pa-Edsa na yan. Alright, let's go. Ito na ang tunay na laban sa Edsa. Come on, you can do it. Hindi mo kailangang kabahan. Malaking tulong talaga yung may experience ka na sa kalsada. Like, you know, in my situation, I've driven four wheels vehicle, you know, iba't ibang klase na rin because I did like detailing dati. So, maraming klase na ng sasakyan ang na-drive natin. Alright. O sige, ikaw na. Ayaw po hindi masyado man-traffic, and that way hindi tayo malate. I have like 20 minutes na lang yata bago makarating doon before my appointment time, which is alas 9. Let's see here. Oops. Oh yeah. Okay. Struggle ka agad. Well, so far so good naman. Kukumpara mo siya sa traffic sa Ross Boulevard. And ito, relax ng konti. Okay. So dito kasi maraming mga bus. So kakaiba. Kung sa pier ay maraming you know what I mean? Dito naman maraming mga bus. So it's kinda same thing lang naman. Parehong may malalaking mga vehikulo. At medyo challenge ako. Mainit itong ating suit. Okay. So let's try it here. Okay. Oh boy, this is a struggle, baby. So far so good naman eh. I can do it for sure. Ako muna. There we go. Woohoo! Enjoy. What time is it? Mali pala yung relo ko. Late yata ng 1 hour to. So try natin sumingit dito. Alrighty. Let's go. Let us go. Up. Sumalpot ah. Medyo kinabahan pa ako rin ah. So struggle, it's real, baby. Haha. Okay. Let's go. Edsa! Ito ay cloverleaf na mga kaaro. First time on Edsa, so far so good. Wag lang masyadong komportable kasi it might you know, sometimes pagka masyadong komportable, overconfident, baka, there you go ahead sir. Okay, there we go. Isang kinakabahan pa ako minsan, yung braking mga kaaro. Maybe because kailangang palitan itong ating brake pad. Kasi kung minsan pagka nagbe-brake medyo mabilis, kailangang sabayan ng brake ng harap. I mean, you know, itong likod kulang so that's the reason why papalitan natin siya. So abangan nyo yun, video na yun. So again, if you are not yet subscribed, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the channel, show a little support, and let me know how, I mean, gusto nyo rin ba ng stickers pareho ng ginagawa ng mga ibang motovlogger natin? Okay, so ito yung motorcycle lane. Yeah, if that's something that you like also, probably I need to work on the design. Hopefully, I mean, you know, I'm not a creative guy. Kadalasan din naman ng mga motovloggers yata hindi naman masyadong creative. There are some, of course, pero ako hindi talaga But I'll try to come up with a design na po pwedeng ipagmalaki nyo naman pagka nilagay nyo sa sasakyan ninyo. I've seen couple of videos ni Reed for speed pala, and then the moto deck, maybe because of the design, or pwedeng dahil syempre sa attachment nila sa tao. These are good people naman, so you know, I guess that's one of the reasons why people are wanting to get and even ako actually gusto ko rin magkaroon ng Reed and then moto deck stickers. So we'll never know, maybe one day ma-meet natin sila. Even I think si BP or boy first time meron na ring or probably I was thinking of someone but anyway, yeah, so basically I would like to meet these people then. So yeah, and then also yung mga ibang hinahangaan pa natin like J-Mac, si Breezy hindi ko masyadong napapanood pa. I mean, you know, medyo busy tayo, busy like Breezy. Wow. That could be something na that could be something na magandang motovlog name or channel name. Oh yeah. So ito naman area ng Quezon City na. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Medyo nangangawit yung aking kamay. Kahit na may experience ka na sa gantong lugar, pagka motor ang din-drive mo, ibang iba pa rin. That's a kind of feeling that I have right now. Kinakabahan ako kasi nga it's a totally different machine. Plus ang dami kong kailangang pag-aralan sa pagmumotor. Like pag sa kotse wala na, I mean, pag tumingin ako sa gilid, alam ko ano itsura ng paligid. Here it's really different kasi kumbaga etong itsura mo, you know, you're in a position na paiba-iba dahil nga nakamanibela ka ng ganito, unlike with the kotse na steady lang yung iyong side mirror. Ito every time ikutin mo yung manibela, syempre may ibang angle, and if you're not used to it, kumbaga hindi mo alam paano sundan, then pwede kang madali ng blind spot. Okay, so yeah, so ito yung mga bagay-bagay na kailangan pag-ingatan pagka nagmumotor ka, at least para sa isang baguhan or newbie just like myself. Late na ako. Alright, so Vertis North area yung nasa bandang kaliwa natin. Eventually, ang ganda dyan. I love the hotel. Yung Seda Hotel na yan, I was there just a week ago, and yeah, ang ganda. Eventually, napakaganda ng lugar na yan. I'm a real estate broker, by the way. Sa benta ng bahay, lupa, condo, yun ang mainly or primary thing na pinagkakakitaan ko as an, you know, as a person, as a professional. Yeah, let's go. So, oops. Okay, let's go. Quezon Avenue na tong paakyat na to. Well, malapit-lapit na tayo. And just like I said, hindi pwedeng maging lenient, hindi pwedeng maging chill or relax masyado, kasi you don't know what's gonna happen. So you probably see me tingin ng tingin sa gilid. That's basically because mahirap na, baka mapulaan tayo. On, there we go. Let's go. Sarap. That feeling of drive na ikutin tong silinyador na to every time you get into a situation just like this one. Sarap. Kalakip niyan though is a responsibility na dapat maging safe rider ka at maging safe ka sa sarili mo, para sa sarili mo, and at the same time safe ka rin sa ibang sa ibang mga motorista. So that means hindi lang para sa motor, but you know, para din sa mga four wheels. So that's something that I'm really learning right now. Medyo nagnanam lang yung aking daliri, yung aking kamay. Probably need some rest, but obviously I'm not gonna be able to do that in this kind of highway right now. Okay, oops, oops, oops. Mamanhid yung aking kanan. That's for sure is what's happening. Tama ba tong pinili kong way? I might be doing it wrongly, mga Kaaro. But yeah, I might probably let's take the outside. Uy, ay, and na pala to. Sorry naman. Sorry naman. So Cubao area na tayo. Edsa, Cubao. Then we'll take yung underpass dito. Hindi ko makita ang oras at this point, but yeah, I think we're on time naman. Oh boy. Come on. Sing it, sing it. Woohoo. That's what I'm talking about. This is the power of the motorcycle. Kung tayo hindi nakamotor, ipit na tayo dyan. So babagdasin natin tong ilalim na to, Cubao ilalim. And then after nito talagang totally malapit-lapit na tayo. Ortigas na yung susunod. And yeah, that's it. Alrighty. Haha. Okay. Medyo kayot pa ako. You know that word? If you're Panggalatok, you know that for sure. Kayot is someone na hindi pa siya marunong magmaneho. Nangangapa pa in terms of steering. Kayot. And I was young, naalala ko tuloy, kayot pa ako. Sabi ng tatay ko, kung ako ng sidecar, tinakbuhan ka. I was, you know, definitely a dumb kid back then. Bata pa ako nun lakas lang ng loob ang hawak ko Whoa, that was nice. Oops. Alrighty. Up. Yeah, buzina. Alright, let's go. Mama, police. Let's go. Woohoo. Oops. That's a throttle control, baby. Haha. Yabang yun ah. Oh, nangangawit na ako talaga. Seryoso na to. Malapit na tayo. Etong biyahe na to, this is about 13 kilometers lang. Half of, or parang actually parang Makati pala to ah. Kasi about 15 kilometers ang Makati eh. There you go, thank you. Gusto ko sanang huminto, kaso gusto ko rin sanayin. Masanay siya sa ganyang sensation. And also I can practice anything na, alam mo yun, yung tipong tuloy-tuloy lang, not stopping. And hopefully you could get the technique na na dapat gawin, maibsan yung pagnanam ng braso. Kanina if gugustuhin ko lang po, pwede na akong huminto, but I opt not to do that. Lapit-lapit na tayo. Ito, Ortigas area na to eh. Ang daming motor. Okay, so I'm here. That's a Pinoy style, baby. Hindi na nakayanan, sir ah. Okay, so this is Ortigas, Edsa. Okay, we're gonna go to Green Hills. Baka magtaka kayo bakit ako nandito sa side na to. Ayun yung tambucho. And syempre ayokong nakatutok dyan. Go. Very good. Okay mga karo, so nandito na tayo. I think namamatay na yung ating, naririnig ko na siya eh, ating camera. Ayun.